237 reported north Berkeley 2.
Train 237, go ahead.
Yeah, I have a passenger on my lead. It's acting erratically. They're bleaching their hair on the train, and they're like spilling it everywhere.
I'm sorry, they're doing what with their hair?
Sorry, 10-9?
I understand the person in your lead unit was doing something to their hair, but I couldn't catch what it was.
Yeah, they're bleaching it. They're like putting some sort of, it looks like bleach in their hair, and like spreading it everywhere all over the seats.
Train 237 do we have a further description?
Train 501 approaching.
Yeah, black male, maybe 30s, short hair with bleach in it, white sweatsuit with jeans on.
Train 237 we'll call it in. Let me know if the person exits prior to BART Fleet holding you.
10-4, thank you.
Circles
1213, 1059C, where yes and down from MacArthur.
1213, if you can check that train. In the lead car, report of a subject that's bleaching their hair and getting bleach on the seats.
10-4. 1213, is this train holding?
It is.
Copy. Boy 1213, one off boarded, you can release train.
10-4, release MacArthur.
2-boy 12, 10-1.
12, 1036.
2-boy 12, go with it.
I'll need Italian information for 10851 S7 search.
2-boy 12, copy. 2-boy 12, take a case number for FI, no need to broadcast, subject will be